Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're doing an unboxing and initial impression of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is the 5G version, latest edition in the Z Flip family. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, as we take a look at the unboxing, one of the things I will say for the Z Flip family, and you'll notice that I still have my original Z Flip here. And I've been using this. This is one of my favorite phones of the Samsung line because of several things. First of all, it's compact, has great battery life, and I'll have to say that the convenience of the Flip, just being able to turn this on, open it up, put it in a pocket, it's so compact that I really enjoyed using this phone. I just removed the SIM because I'm going to go ahead and put it in this guy here once we unbox it. So your unboxing experience is just like this. So we'll move this stuff out of the way. We have this little future sheet, right? The future changes shape when you meet the Z Flip. This is the version that I have here. So this is a black version, and this is like the, I guess, Mystic Silver, Mystic Gray. Right? So we'll go ahead and put that aside. You do have a special Premier service because of the type of screen that you have, where they give you a 1-year warranty or replacement. That just makes it more affordable if you do have your screen damaged. But I'll show you as we look at this one when we start this up what my original one looks like. I've had no issues with it. I put it in my pocket. I use it every day, and it's held up extremely well. Inside the box, we're going to find a charger, and this charger is not the same charger that we found in the I would say the Note 20 Ultra. This is not a supercharger, so it's a standard charger. All right. And then over here, it looks like we have just the charging cable. All right. So all you have is a USB charging cable, and it looks like this is a standard USB-A. So USB-A to USB-C, and that's pretty much it. So there's not a lot in the box. So let's go ahead and start it up. Now the Z Flip comes protected in this protective cover. They do a lot to keep it smudge-free. And for those of you who are curious about accessories, the accessories from the original Z Flip and the Z Flip 5G fit each other. So any of the reviews that we've done on the channel, UAG cases, the original leather case, which is what I have right here. This is my leather case that I used, and you can see how it's a little worn a little bit. They're going to work with this phone as well. Again, the big story here with the Z Flip is the fact that it's a foldable phone. And what I like about this version is that it's kind of like a matte finish, so you can notice that it's not a fingerprint magnet like this one was. And it actually is, it almost has like a two-tone finish to it, right? So you can see how the tone starts there and then it ends. It has a nice feel to it too. I actually prefer this finish. USB-C charging port there, speaker there, pinhole mic, front-facing camera, has a little LCD screen here for information and calls, and pretty much that's really all there is to it. This is a 5G version, has the fingerprint sensor there, which I really like, and then it has the volume rocker. So let's go ahead and power this up, and then we'll see what it looks like. So the startup process is complete. I didn't copy any of my contacts or even copy my existing phone setup to the new phone because I wanted to share with you, what the phone actually looked like, stock. This is an unlocked version, so it doesn't have any bloatware. But here is my original Flip, and you can see, all my little notifications because I do use this every day. And as you compare it to this one, they're pretty much the same size. If I compare it side by side, you can see how the thicknesses compare. You can see how the backs look, which they look very similar. If you were to look at the lens area right here, we'll put this in an angle, you'll notice that they come out to the same extent. It's interesting because there's magnets on these, and I can feel the magnets fighting each other, which is pretty cool. On the back side, we'll take a look at it just like this. You can see pretty much from a dimension perspective, they look the same. If you're thinking about like what gets included in the version that I've just unboxed, I'm going to go ahead and swipe up. You're really not going to find much. So again, when I swiped up, I can't go left or right because there isn't really anything else there. So these are the only apps that you receive, which is one of the benefits of getting a unlocked version. Now I'll be connecting this to AT&T, and then I'll be mirroring everything over, but this is what you can expect when you do the unboxing. Really simple unboxing. It's a great phone, and I'll just show you this one right here really quick too. So again, use this phone every single day, and I'm going to try to put it in an angle so you can see the wear of the screen. So not much wear at all. And I have kind of like a cool, I use one version of the Batman here, and then once I log in, I have the other version. So I have kind of like two different looks to it. because of just how cool this phone is. So let me know if you have any questions about this phone. I have enjoyed this phone thoroughly, and that's why I have the next version. I hope to get more accessories, specifically new accessories that could be used on either of these phones. So make sure you check out the channel. Let me know what else would you like to learn about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G.